Hello, my name is Ben Roberts, and this video is to just show that my week 2 project or assignment is working properly. So to start, I just want to start my controllers file, just show the functions I've created. They create a contact, update contact, and delete contact. Um, these, of course, will allow me to um, uh, create a new user file in the database, edit that any user file as long as we have the ID, and of course delete a user based off of the ID. Um, Here are my routes for that. We added the router.post, router.put, and router.delete. Um, just to show you my Swagger JavaScript, um, including the routes. Um, and of course I've got my resting file here, my rest file that I was using to test. But of course, obviously, I'm sure you just want to see it working live on render. So I'll pull that open now. So here you'll see the live render site just to show that the does work. I have the just go to the users page. There you can see the different users that are there. And then of course we can go to API-docs to show the Swagger. Um, so here we go. We've got all the different routes that we can use. The get, post, put, delete. This, of course, to show that this works, we'll just execute it and it does return the message hello world in the response body. Um, then we have this get, which allows us to um, pull all the users that are currently there. You can see them all right here. That does work quite nice. Um, then this would allow us to, actually I'll show this first. So if we go back here, we can grab a specific user ID, let's say Lily Billy, and then we can get the get user ID, which allows us to pull a single user based off the ID. So I just copy that in and I go execute, and then we can see we got the Lily Billy user profile. Um, And then, of course, if we wanted to create a new user, we would go here, try it out. Um, just to make this quicker for the demonstration, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. But let's say the first name could be Bob log, and then we'll just keep the email the same, whatever, and then favorite color is of course brown, and birthday can stay the same. So if I go execute, now we're going to get a new, well actually in the response body we get the user ID, and then we can actually go double check that that worked by going to the get user ID and by entering that specific ID, and then when that pulls you see new profile there, Bob log, and you can even double check by getting all users, and you can see that Bob log has been added. And then of course, if we needed to make an edit, we could take any ID here. This is where I actually wanted to copy this over. So let's say Bob log, we didn't update the email and that the email was wrong. So we can copy all that information in here, but then go to the email and enter in Bob log at wood.ca, execute, and now if we go back to the get by individual ID and have the same ID in there, we go execute, we should see, there you go, the email has been updated. And then finally, say we didn't want to put Bob log in there at all, we can then, oh, we can then go get his ID specifically, bring it down here to the delete, And then if we execute that, we see the success message. And then if we go up and get all users again, go execute, you'll notice that Bob log no longer exists, sadly. But yeah, that should hopefully show that everything seems to be working how we want it to. Thank you very much.